A step-by-step process to app development for novices. The use of applications is spreading with every passing second. Mobile apps are providing new and better ways to communicate. Moreover, mobile phones have now opened a new avenue for generating a better source of revenues. Now you can step into the app development industry with new and innovative ideas that can help you engage quite an audience. As technology is advancing faster, it is becoming difficult to cope up with the speeding trends. You need to arm up with resources that can enhance the productivity of your application. To launch the best app, here are some of the important tips for you to use. Check out the step-by-step process to sketch your app idea. The first step is to create an app idea. You have to hunt for the main idea to work on. If it's already popping in your mind, then all you have to do is to carry out more research to know more about your target audience and the competition present in your market. You have to evaluate your idea based on your observation to know more about how to plan everything out. Your app should be interesting and engaging. You have to be descriptive about your app plan as to which feature you have to add, what not so important. Simply remember one thing, that some features are added into the framework to enhance the productivity of an app, whereas others are added to increase the engagement. So, you have to define your preferences. Market research. Many people pay a little attention to carrying out proper market research. Despite the far-reaching benefits, marketers avoid getting into the market and practically knowing the preferences of their target audience. Maybe they are too reluctant to bring any change, or they are so confident with their release that they do not really care to do some homework. Well, you have to do it, and you need to carry out extensive research to understanding your audience and knowing how to formulate your strategies. You have to keep an eye on the ongoing trends and what strategies can help you garner the attention. Prototype and mockups. Much like the way you write the draft before composing an important content document, you have to plan about creating the prototype or a mockup of your app before finalizing anything and creating the ultimate app version. When creating the prototype, you will come across a number of hurdles and problems that will help you eliminate the risk factors or the flaws out of your creation. You will get a more brighter picture of your app. The graphic designing. The aesthetics of your mobile applications are an important aspect to engage the audience. From the layouts to the selection of colors and graphics, all contribute to enhancing the appeal of your app and building its audience. You have to pick every aspect very consciously, from selecting not so huge images, which can influence the overall app speed, to infusing the right color palette to showcase an appropriate brand identity. To make sure that your app has an amazing aesthetics, you have to get your hands on a highly advanced tool or get yourself equipped with state-of-the-art software that can let you incorporate an unmatched level of professionalism into your frameworks and functionality. Focus on the app's landing page. What's the first thing that captures the attention after a logo in an app? Its landing page. Therefore, you need to put in lots of efforts to make sure that your landing page is impressive and interesting. You have to add appealing aspects and elements that can help you boost your engagements. Your landing page will decide the scope of your app success. It can let you fold double folds on your investments, or can ruin the ranking completely. You get to entertain a huge percentage of the target audience and increase online visibility with a compelling landing page. Furthermore, among the prominent elements included in a landing page, a few are listed below. A header at the top to captivate the viewers, an explainer video or introductory para to define the purpose, the procedure to use or list of features, a call to action about a section, the selection of a programming language. Your choice of programming language predicts how easy, efficient and reliable your app is going to be. Therefore, when shortlisting a language, you have to carry out extensive research, analyze your app needs and the niche of your business. All of these factors contribute to deciding the right language for your application. Multiple options are there, like you can use Xcode, Swift or Objective-C. Many of these languages are preferred by the tech giants to create exceptional functionality. You have to simply pick the one you think will fit appropriate to your business needs. Your app launch. The next stage is deciding how and where to launch your app. You create the app deciding for which platform you want to go with. It could be for the Play Store or the App Store. There are certain guidelines and policies, which developers have to follow. Whereas some of them keep their app diverse for every platform, coding it in a way that it fits on every platform. So, evaluate the needs, requirements, and work accordingly to avoid any last-minute problem. However, the only way to judge which way to go also depends upon your target audience. If you think by getting on both the leading platform, you can get the exposure of a huge audience, then go for it. Wrap up. That's how descriptive and detailed an app development process is, and you have to make sure to follow every step accordingly as well. You need to take steps that can let you enhance the productivity of your app and increase its online visibility. So, plan a strategy and start working to amuse your target audience.